So once you go to Upwork, if you go to the Find Work section of the website, it's going to show you a list of jobs that you can apply to, ones that best match your profile, your keywords, and your skills. But if you're looking for specific jobs, then you're going to go to the search bar here and you're going to type it in. So I'm going to use motion graphics, for example. You're going to select these suggested options here. Then here you're going to have a list of jobs that you can apply to and the hourly rate and the pay. And it's going to show you how many connects it's going to require you in order to send a proposal. Then if you go to the bottom, it's going to show you how many people is the hiring manager interviewing and how many invites were sent. So let's say that you don't want to use the connect when you're applying for a job. Then what you can do is you can type in www. And then go through the jobs, select one, and then in the description, you might find a part where they include the link to the website. So there it is. It says site. I'm going to select it. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and then look for their social media. So they have a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and then Medium. So you're going to join one of their social media platforms, and then you're going to send them a message and tell them that you're trying to apply to one of their jobs. And that way you won't have to use connects. And there you go.